Hello everyone, welcome to this next video. My name is Kaustubh from Inside Stat, and in today's video we are going to talk about how to split a column by a delimiter and how to add new columns using some conditions, new conditions. Okay, let's talk about the first. So let's create a hypothetical business situation where the business says that we need to extract the names of people from their email address, and this first name that we have before the @ before their email address is the username. We will assign the usernames based on what we have here. So how do we do that? It's very simple. All we have to do is go to add column because we want a new column, and we have to extract. And what do we want to extract? We don't want to extract the length or first characters or last characters. We want to extract text before a delimiter. In this case, our delimiter is @. So what do? Click on this. Our delimiter is @. Click on OK. And if we scroll towards the end, look at this. We have the names. So this is John 24, Eugene 10, Eugene 10. All we have to do is change the name to a username, and we have a new column as the username. Okay, so this is how we extract values given a delimiter. We can also extract values after the delimiter. For example, we wanted to know what are the domains that are being used. Is it only AdventureWorks, or are they using Gmail, Hotmail, or any other domain? So all we have to do is, again, select this, extract text after delimiter, and our delimiter is again an @. And if we look at this, if we filter it out, it's only AdventureWorks. We don't have anything else other than AdventureWorks, and there are some blank values as well. So we can name this as domain, right? So this is how we split a column using any delimiter. Okay, now the second scenario is, again, let's take a hypothetical business scenario. The business comes to us and tells us that, you know what, we want to create a bucket of priority customers and standard customers, and we have decided that any person who is married and has an annual income of maybe 90,000 and above are our priority customers, and anyone else is a standard customer, right? So how do we do that? Now, in order to do that, we have to use a custom column, right? The moment we click on the custom column, it asks us for the logic. What is the logic that we are trying to implement? So what do? We first give the column name. In this case, let's call it priority. And then what is the logic? The logic says if marital status, where now look at this, these are all the columns that we have in this table. So we need marital status. If marital status is equal to M, right? So if you do we have the marital status? Okay, let's quickly look at the marital status. Let's look at this. So marital status values are M and S, married or single. So let's go back again to priority, and if marital status, double click on it, is married and annual income is greater than 90,000, then I'm going to call these customers as priority customers, else they are just standard customers, right? That's it. So it's a simple if then else statement. That's all we have to do. And if my code is correct, Power BI will automatically tell me if it's correct or not. So there are no syntax errors, so this should be good. Okay, look at this. Now let's do a quick QC. So let me filter by married and people with less than 90,000. Let's see what it shows us. Look at this. These are all standard customers, right? We don't have any priority here. Now, married and anything with greater than 90. Let's see. Look at this. All priority customers, right? So this is how we can implement custom columns as well, right? So this is a great tool, and it's really helpful when the business comes up with their own logic, and you can implement those logic using the custom column. So we talked about, in today's video, we talked about the extract using a delimiter, and we also talked about the custom column. And that's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next video.